Hey, what's good, diecast collectors? So here is some of my favorite fire trucks from both Matchbox and Hot Wheels. The one on the left is from Hot Wheels, it's the Fire Eater. The one in the middle is from Matchbox, it's the Blaze Blitzer. And the one on the right is from Matchbox as well. It's called the Blaze Master, I believe. So let's take a quick closer look at them individually. Here's the Blaze Blitzer. I think Matchbox really did a great job on this one. Just so many good looking details. And then here's the latest one. I don't know if this is going to be part of 2013 or 2014, but this is the latest one from Matchbox. Pretty nice. Alright, you guys, so there's all three fire trucks in my collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.